Imagine waking up every morning feeling like you just had the best night's sleep of your life. Your eyes open effortlessly, and you're instantly filled with a sense of excitement for the day ahead. No more groggy mornings or desperate reaches for that snooze button. What if I told you there's a simple change you can make that could transform your energy levels? A natural solution that works with your body's own rhythms to restore vitality from within. It's not another fad diet or extreme exercise regimen, just a gentle reset that allows your body to tap into its innate healing power. Picture yourself breezing through your to-do list with laser focus, conquering challenges that used to leave you drained. Imagine having the stamina to not just make it through your day, but to truly enjoy every moment of it. From crushing it at work to having energy left over for fun with family and friends. This isn't just a dream, it's the reality that thousands of people are experiencing right now thanks to the 21-day reset program. The 21-day reset, it isn't your typical detox or cleanse. It's a scientifically designed system that works with your body's natural processes to clear out toxins, reset your metabolism, and reignite your energy from the cellular level up. Here's how it works. Over the course of 21 days, you'll go through 4 carefully crafted phases: reset, release, rejuvenate, and reintegrate. Each phase is designed to gently guide your body through the detox process, clearing out harmful buildup and flooding your cells with vital nutrients. You'll start the reset phase, preparing your body with nourishing plant-based foods. Then we move into the release phase, where the real magic happens. Your body kicks into high gear, flushing out accumulated toxins and mobilizing stubborn fat stores. As you enter the rejuvenate phase, you'll likely notice a surge in energy, mental clarity, and overall well-being. Finally, the reintegrate phase. It helps you transition back to a sustainable, healthy lifestyle, armed with new habits and a revitalized mind, body, and spirit. The best part? You're not alone in this. The 21-day reset comes with everything you need for success. A comprehensive workbook to guide you through each day, access to live coaching calls for personalized support, detailed meal plans to take the guesswork out of eating, a supportive community to cheer you on, plus $300 in bonus supplements like CBD Fico tinctures, MSM crystals, and Shilajit Elixirs to skyrocket your results and make your experience more enjoyable. People who complete the 21-day reset report lose an average of 9 to 12 pounds, with some shedding over 20 pounds in just 21 days. But the benefits, they go far beyond the scale. Participants rave about increased energy, better sleep, clearer skin, and a newfound zest for life. Now, I know what you may be thinking. I've tried cleanses before, and they just left me feeling worse. I hear you. That's why the 21-day reset is different. It's not about extreme deprivation or quick fixes. It's a carefully structured program designed to work with your body, not against it. But don't just take my word for it. Here's what Lori, one of our recent participants, had to say. I was skeptical at first, but by the end of the 21 days, I felt like a completely new person. I had more energy than I had in years. My chronic headaches, they disappeared. And I even got to stop taking my blood pressure medication. It's not just a cleanse, it's a total life reset. The 21-day reset starts on May 18th, 2025, and spots are filling up fast. For just $299, you can transform your health and reclaim your vitality. Are you ready to wake up feeling refreshed, tackle your days with enthusiasm, and rediscover the vibrant, energetic you that's been hiding underneath layers of toxins and fatigue? Don't wait to start living your best life. Click the link in the description for more information and get access to join the 21-day reset now. Remember, we offer a 100% satisfaction guarantee. If you don't feel a significant improvement in your energy and well-being after 21 days, we'll refund your investment, no questions asked. And you get to keep all the bonuses too. It's time to reset your health, recharge your life, and rediscover your vitality. Join the 21-day reset today, because just 21 days can change your life. This is Al Morenton with MyFitLife, reminding you that knowledge is power and health is wealth. I hope you have a beautiful day. Peace.